Welcome back to another Gale Bearers Repairs. Today we're going to change the headlight bulb on this 2018 Seat Arona. Right, let's get on with it.
Here's the fault light I've got on the dash. I put the ignition on, so it's key on, engine off. It's coming up that I've got to service the car. And it just goes through a self-check. Look, I've got the headlights on there. Look, please check right dipped beam headlight. And we've got this warning triangle there. So that is, I'll start the engine. So it's a permanent fault, look. So it's still on. Oh, look at the vibration from the engine, look. Little 3-cylinder, look at that camera shaking. Yeah, so we'll go out and we'll have a look at the right dipped headlight. So here's our fault, look. The headlight on the left-hand side of the car is working and it's not working over here. So that relates to the fault light on the dash. And to get to it, we come in. It appears to be there's a cover there. We've got to get that cover off to gain access to replace the lamp. Right, so we're in around the back of the headlight. What I can see, you grab this spring clip, grab him there, pull him out. Oh, so he hooks in two little clasps there. It looks like he just hooks in there. One at the top, one at the bottom. So we'll swing this out. Mind that sticker. So you pivot him out and then just pull him out. So you've got there, look, just two prongs that go into two receptacles there. So that's quite basic. Pull him out and then we're into the back of the headlight bulb. Right, so I've moved you around for a better angle. Here's our electrical plug on the back of the headlight bulb. So we just grab that, it'll come out together, the two. It's one plug. So you just get your fingers in there, give them a good pull. They can take a bit of a pull in if they haven't been off for a few years. So he's come off all right. And then all we've got is a metal spring clip there. So it's just that metal spring clip there. And he tucks in behind. You've got to push him towards the front of the car. So that top bit there, you push in to the front of the car and then out to the side. So push it that way and then across to the outside of the car. So push in, so push forward and then out to the side. And then that allows it to flip down, look. So that's all that retains your headlight bulb in place. Just literally that. I don't know if my fingers are in the way. That swings out and then out comes your headlight bulb, your old one. These are H7s. And if you look the orientation, look at the orientation here. As I've pulled that out, that tang is at the top, look. So you've got to remember when you're putting your other one in, that the tang's at the top. An essential part of this job that you need to know is critical for fitting a new headlight bulb. You're not allowed to touch the glass with your skin, with your hands. The oils from your skin come in, they contaminate the glass and they impregnate it, and it'll reduce the life of the headlight bulb. It'll burn out from it. So you have to have gloves on. Just do not touch the glass part of it. Right, let's pop him in. Right, so we're refitting the headlight bulb now. Now remember, it was that tang to the top of the headlight. So we'll slide him in. Pop him in there. And then we'll just wiggle him about until he seats nice. So he's gone in nicely there. And then we just flip up that metal catch. We'll flip him up like that. And we just push him out towards the outside of the car, then towards the front to get him over that catch, get him over that tang. So there he goes. So he's in there now, look. So that's secured the headlight bulb. Give him a little wiggle. Make sure that he is secure and he doesn't drop in. So that's nice. We're happy there. Now we get our plug and just press him onto the contacts. It is that basic. Very, very basic task to carry out. Now, get our lid. Make sure that the lid, the seal, is all the way around, is seated in there, and it's clean and dry. And then we've just got these two receptacles there, the top and the bottom one, and that takes those two there. So all we do here, feed them in like that, put them down, and then we just get our clasp that just presses over, and it just goes into them little notches there, like top and bottom. There. Make sure he's seated, and we're done. That was the headlight that was working, and now that we've changed that other one, we're good to go, and the fault light has disappeared from the dash. Well, that was a nice easy job on this 2018 Seat Arona, changing the headlight bulb. Very easy. Anybody can carry out this job. No tools required whatsoever, so it's just a job that anybody can do. If you have enjoyed that or has found it useful, if you click on a link that's going to appear here now, there'll be some other Seat Arona videos that may be helpful to you. So click on the link that's here. And if you found this video has been useful and it's been informative to you today, oh, no, spit that out. Could you please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you next time.